Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica of Miss More Style. I make videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel, and specifically about affordable fashion. Today I'm doing something that you all love very much, which is another dupes video. So if you would like to see the awesome dupe that I found for the Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag, just keep on watching because I'm going to show you an amazing, affordable version of this bag that you can get for less. Thank you so much for deciding to click on this video. Welcome back to all my amazing subscribers. It's so good to see you. And if you are new, huge welcome to you too. I'm really glad that you decided to check me out. Hopefully you will enjoy this video and hit that subscribe button and stick around because in addition to doing occasional dupe videos and reviews, I also do a lot of affordable fashion hauls from places like Shein, H&M. I've got a Walmart one coming up soon, ASOS. So if that's right up your alley and you like to see affordable fashion inspiration, hit that subscribe button and join my little fam here. I've also got some really fun videos coming up. I did a huge closet clean out. That video will be up very soon. I'm planning on doing a lot of like shop my closet videos so that you can get inspiration for clothes that you might already own in your wardrobe so you don't have to shop and buy new things in this time, because I know it's definitely a rough time for a lot of people, including myself, so I totally feel you. In case you missed my last dupe video, which just went insane, thank you everyone who loved and supported that video. I will link that up here in the cards and I will put it down in the description box so that you can check that out after you're done with this one. But quite a few of you mentioned a brand called Daisy Rose to me in the comments of that video, and that is sold at Walmart. So I did a little investigating, and it turns out that Walmart has low-key a line of amazing Louis Vuitton dupes. I've been sleeping on Walmart fashion for a while. Like I said, I have a Walmart haul coming. Of course, as always, if you want to shop the bag that I'm about to show you, I will put the link down in the description box below, as well as the link to the original Louis, so you can compare for yourself. All right. Do we see this? Do we see this? I just want to say, if I had the coins to have a Louis Vuitton bag, Louis Vuitton would have my money. But at this moment in time, I don't have that kind of money. I will have to settle for having a look-alike bag, and I loved the checkered pattern of this bag. I've always really loved that. It's just like a fun graphic, and it being in like this brown color, it's a great neutral. It goes with everything. I also think this is going to be a great bag for traveling. It fits so much stuff inside. So this is the Daisy Rose dupe for the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in, I would say it approximates the size, the Neverfull MM, in the color Damier Ebene? Damier Ebene? Probably saying that wrong. I only took high school French and it's been a long time since high school, so pardonnez-moi. So when I saw this on Walmart, I had to snap it up. This bag retails on Walmart for $49. The Louis Vuitton version will set you back $1,500. Yes. This came in the mail the other day, and let me just start off by saying I've been using it constantly. So I would have to say right off the bat, the construction feels incredible. The leather, of course, is faux leather, or they call it luxury vegan PU leather, which I have to say, for it being a vegan leather bag, it definitely has that feeling and that coating that the Neverfull has. And I wish I had a real Neverfull to compare with this bag. Unfortunately, I could not get my hands on one that maybe one of my friends owns at the moment. So I'm so sorry that I don't have that sort of comparison. I will be showing some photos of the real one for you as we go into the inside of this bag so you can get an idea. Like I said, the construction of it feels extremely quality. The stitching feels really nice and it looks very, very nice. The leather straps right here on the side and the leather handles also feel very sturdy. The stitching all around just looks incredibly sturdy. The hardware itself, honestly, I think it looks so similar to the original's hardware. Obviously, it's not going to look as luxe and it's not going to say Louis Vuitton, but they did a great job of really creating a bag that looks very much like the original. The other huge thing that this bag does not have that the original does is it has that same pattern, but of course on the original, some of the little squares will say Louis Vuitton inside of them. This does not have that. To me, that is not a make or break thing, of course. So let's get in. I want to show you everything that's in my dupe Neverfull bag so you can see what it really can fit and the capability that it has, and then we'll take a look at the interior and all that good stuff. All right, so here is my bag. We're just gonna open it up. So you can see it fits my MacBook Pro, 13-inch MacBook Pro very easily, which is gonna be great for just every day when I wanna haul my MacBook around with me. So we'll just set that to the side. Also got my very massive water bottle in there that fits quite comfortably. This is like a little makeup pouch where I keep little essentials, like a little bit of floss, maybe, you know, the lipstick that I'm wearing that day, a little bit of powder, so that is in there. I've also got my keys, got my sunglasses case. I love bags like this that are big because when I have my nice sunglasses on, I have room to put my sunglasses case to keep my sunglasses safe when I'm not wearing them, rather than just like chucking them into like a small bag because I don't have room for my case in there. My face mask, I'm waiting. I have a really cute face mask that's on the way. I don't have to wear this ugly one anymore, but gotta have the face mask these days. And some mail from yesterday. That is the interior of the bag. That is how big it is. You can see it's got that red interior. That is one of the options on the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. Of course, the real Louis Vuitton Neverfull has a sort of pattern on the interior of the bag, and it does say Louis Vuitton in like a big lettering right about here. You'll also notice that this says Daisy Rose. It's a dead giveaway. It is not a Louis, but that's to be expected. Now, you do have the same type of gold clasp hardware here, so you could clasp this together and it would hold your bag together a little bit better. It wouldn't be quite so open. As you can see, it also comes with the little interior pouch. It is fully removable, so I could unclasp this, which I will do right now, and then I could use this separately as just like a little wristlet or a clutch, which is super cute and exactly like the original Louis. We also have on the other side of the bag 2 pockets, so one for like a cell phone and then another little bit bigger one. So all in all, it is very massive inside. It's very roomy. You could really use this as an everyday bag and can fit everything that you would need in a day in here. It also has the little side adjustment straps, which you can see, and you could pull these up and make the bag cinch in. So really has basically all the features that the real one has, and for a much lower price point. I really appreciate that the hardware on this looks quite nice. It's gold and shiny. It doesn't look cheap and janky, although, you know, do realize on the real Louis Vuitton, these little zippers and all the little hardware zippers on the interior would have like the little LV on them, but obviously not a make or break thing in this situation. This would be a great little clutch. You could use it for the night out and it will fit your phone and some credit cards, some your ID, maybe your keys, and just your little essentials. Well, that concludes my review of this Neverfull bag. Of course, like I said, the link will be down below in my description box if you want to check out this bag. The other Daisy Rose pieces in this line, they're honestly so good. I actually have another bag coming that I'll be doing a separate video for and review of, so stay tuned for that. Make sure that you haven't already, you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss that video. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of dupe video you might like to see next, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica of Miss More Style. I make it. Let's do that again. Okay, well, that was awkward. Make sure if you didn't already that you hit that